Friends, here is a case study based question. Satellite TV manufacturing business tend to have what economists call economies of scale. When economies of scale exist, business can be its own reward. The more TVs you manufacture in a single run, lower the cost per unit, which in turn increases your bottom line margins. Keeping that in mind, a TV manufacturing company increases its production uniformly by fixed number every year. The company produces 8,000 sets in 6th year and 11,300 sets in the 9th year. On the basis of the above information, answer any four of the following questions. Friends, here a TV manufacturing company produces 8,000 sets in the 6th year and 11,300 sets in the 9th year, and you have to answer any four of the following questions. So let us see the first question of today's episode. The company production on the first year is, we have to find the company's production on the first year. Here it is given that on the 6th year the production is 8,000, that is A6 is 8,000, and that of the on the 9th year the company's production is 11,300. This is given in the question, that the company produces 8,000 TV sets in the 6th year and 11,300 TV sets in the 9th year, and we have to find the company production on the first year. Here the first year we denote by A1, second year by A2, third year by A3, fourth year by A4, and so on till the A9, that is 9th year. Here the 6th term is given to you and the 9th term is given to you, and you have to find the first term. So here A6 is equal to 8,000. It means that A plus 5D, because 6th term can be calculated as A plus 5D, which is equal to 8,000. This is the first equation. Now A9 is equal to 11,300. It means A plus 8D, that is equal to 11,300. This is the second equation. Now we will solve this equation 1 and 2. So subtracting equation 1 and 2, what will happen? A will get cancelled and the signs will change, and so 5D minus 8D, and that is equal to 8,000 minus 11,300. We are subtracting this, and therefore we will get D is equal to 1,100. So D is equal to 1,100. So if you solve these two equations simultaneously, you will get D is equal to 1,100. So the common difference we have got as 1,100, and now we can find the A, that is the first term. So A is equal to put the value of D in either equation number 1 or in equation number 2 to get the value of A. Correct? So it will be what? A plus 8D. Correct? If we are putting it in equation number 1, so it will be A plus 5D, that is 5 into 1,100, which is equal to 8,000. So that is equal to A plus, this will be 5,500, that is equal to 8,000. And so here take 5,500 to other side, so you will get it as 8,000 minus 5,500. So if you subtract this, you will get it 10 minus 5, 5, and this will be 2500, and therefore the first term is 500. So in the first year the company's production is 2500 TV sets. Now friends, move to the second question. Now the second question is that the company's production on the 8th year is. The company's production on the 8th year is. It means we have to find the 8th term. So 8th term is given as A plus 7D. Now these are very simple. First one was a little bit lengthier, but the second one, third one, and all rest are very easy because we know the first term, we know the common difference that we have calculated in the first question. And so here A we have calculated in the first question as 2500. So 2500 plus 7 into common difference that we have calculated as 1100. And so after solving this, you will get it as 2500 plus 7700. So which is equal to, if you add these two, you will get it as 10,200. So the production on the 8th year is what? It is 10,200. So the C option will be the correct option. Now move to the next question. So next question is that the company's total production in the first 6 years. We have to find the company's total production in the 6th year. And friends, now here we have to find the total production in the 6th year. It means we will require the first term. That first term we know, that first term we have calculated as 2500, correct? 2500. And the 6th year, that is A6, will be the last term. A6 will be the class term, because we have to find the sum of all the productions from first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, and 6th year. So the last term in this case will be A6, and that we know it is 8000. That also we have calculated in the previous questions. So we know the first term, we know the last term, and we can find the total production, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket A plus L, first term plus the last term, and therefore S6, that is equal to 6 upon 2 into bracket A plus L. A is 2500 plus L is last term, that is 8000, and therefore 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, and therefore which is equal to 3 multiplied by 8 and 2 10. So it will be 10,500. So 3 multiplied by 10,500, and that is equal to 31,500, and therefore the total production in the last 6 years will be 31,500 sets, and therefore the D option is the correct option. Now here is the next question. Now here the company's production increases every year by 2,500, 2,200, 1,800 or 1,100. We have to find the company's production increase every year. It means we have to find the common difference, and this common difference we have calculated in the first question. There we have calculated the value of A and the value of D. That is the first term we have calculated and the common difference that we have calculated, and common difference is nothing but the company's production that increases every year, and it was 1,100, and therefore the D option will be the correct option, that is 1,100. Now move to the next question. The next question is that in which year the company's production is 9,100 sets. And now friends, we have, this question is for you. Solve this question and write your answer in the comment box, that in which year the company's production is 9,100 set, whether it is in the 5th year, 6th year, 7th year, or the 9th year. Now friends, here we will stop, and I hope you must have enjoyed this question. Yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.